Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to effectively block Windows updates on your PC and laptop. As you all know that Windows updates can be quite problematic and they can cause a range of problems for the users. So if you want to avoid those forced Windows updates, follow those steps. Click on the browser and go to this website and download this software Stop Updates 10. Click on download. After downloading, install this and then go to search, type stop updates. Okay, here it is, stop updates 10. Open it, click on stop Windows updates. This will effectively block all Windows updates, including the forced updates. So if you want to restore Windows updates, click restore Windows updates. Close this, and if your Windows is not updating and Windows Updater is causing problem, then go to My Computer, Windows, Windows folder, software distribution, download, and delete all the files in this folder. After deleting this, your Windows Update will work again. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more content.